Most men panic and try to prove themselves louder. The real power is quieter, less noise, more weight. When she says, "I'm not into it," your next move decides whether she forgets you or ends up missing you badly. You want the short version? Stop trying to be seen all the time. Make your absence matter. All right, let me walk you through this the way I'd tell a friend over chai. No fluff, just the parts that actually change outcomes. Picture this. Two men want the same woman. One texts her through the night, answers instantly, is everywhere. The other keeps his world full in a work, gym, mates, goals, and replies when it suits him. Over time, the first becomes background noise. The second, he becomes a rare song she can't stop humming. Sounds unfair. It is, but it's honest. Why? Because human brains notice what's missing before they notice what's constant. When everything is always there, it's taken for granted. When something comes and goes with purpose, it gets remembered. Here's how to do this without being a jerk. There's a difference between being unavailable and being valuable. One, the power of doing less and letting silence speak. When a woman says she's not interested, most men panic. They think if they say more, explain more, show more, she'll change her mind. But that's not how it works. The more noise you make, the more invisible you become. Silence, that's what gets noticed. Because silence isn't empty. It's full of questions, and questions make people think. See, the thing about silence is that it creates contrast. When you stop flooding her phone with texts, stop checking her stories, stop trying to prove your worth, the absence begins to echo. That echo makes her curious. It triggers a little voice in her head that asks, "What happened? Why did he stop?" And that curiosity slowly turns into attention. But here's the catch. Silence isn't meant to be used like a weapon. It only works when it comes from strength, not fear. If you're quiet because you're scared of rejection, she'll feel that energy. But if you're silent because you're calm, composed, and focused on your life, she'll feel that too. And that's when it starts to pull her in. Think of silence like music, without pauses. Even the best melody becomes noise. When you pull back, you give her space to miss the sound of you. And when she finally does hear from you again, it feels fresh. It feels meaningful. The trick is simple. Don't fill every gap. Let space do the talking. A man who can stay quiet with confidence isn't losing control. He's showing he has it. 2. The energetic gap. Why distance makes her chase. When you're always available, you leave no room for her imagination. And imagination, my friend, is where attraction lives. A woman can't miss what's always there. She misses what feels slightly out of reach, what she can't fully hold. That's the power of the energetic gap. You create it not by ignoring her, but by redirecting your focus back to your life, your work, your friends, your passions, the gym, the late night grind that makes you feel alive. Because when your life is full, your energy becomes scarce, and scarcity always has value. Think about it. When something's hard to get, people want it more. When it's everywhere, they stop seeing it. The same logic applies here. If your life revolves around her, she has no reason to crave your presence. But if she sees that your time is valuable, that your attention isn't free, she'll start scheduling herself around you. This isn't about pretending. It's about being real. You can't fake being busy. She'll know. The energy gap only works when it's authentic. When you're genuinely focused on becoming a better version of yourself, she senses it. And that's when she starts thinking about you again. Not because you're chasing, but because you're no longer chasing. Your energy should feel like perfume. When it's everywhere, it fades. But when it lingers briefly, she keeps thinking about it long after you've gone. That's the essence of making her miss you. Not through noise, but through scarcity. 3. Emotional imprints. Leave feelings, not words. Here's the truth. People don't miss messages. They miss emotions. She won't remember the 20 texts you sent her, but she will. Remember the one moment that made her laugh when she didn't expect to. She'll remember how calm she felt when you spoke with certainty. She'll remember how your silence made her think. Those are called emotional imprints, and they're far stronger than any word you could ever type. Every time you interact, make it count. Not by trying too hard, but by being fully present. When you talk, listen. When she's around, observe. Make her feel that she's the only one in that moment. Most men don't do this anymore. They're distracted, half there, checking their phones mid-conversation. That's why when a man shows genuine focus, it hits differently. Emotional imprints come from authenticity, the real laughter, the honest compliment, the quiet confidence. These are the things she replays when you're gone. When she meets other men, she'll subconsciously compare and they won't measure up. You want her to miss you. Don't just be memorable, be felt. Be the calm she thinks about when everything else feels loud, because emotions, not logic, make people miss you. 4. Unpredictability. The spark. She can't predict. Predictability kills excitement. When she knows exactly when you'll text, how you'll act and what you'll say, you stop being intriguing. But when you become a little unpredictable, not in a childish way, but in a grounded one, she stays alert, she pays attention. Unpredictability doesn't mean ghosting her for weeks or playing games. It means keeping her guessing just enough. Maybe one day you ask deep questions and the next you tease her lightly. Maybe you call it an unexpected time and have a short impact. Full talk. That unpredictability makes your energy multidimensional. Think of attraction like a spark. Too much routine kills it, but small surprises bring it back to life. When she doesn't fully know what version of you she'll get, the serious one, the playful one, or the calm one, her mind stays engaged. But remember, unpredictability must come from truth. Don't fake a personality. Let it come naturally from your mood, your growth, your depth, because that keeps you human. And real men who stay unpredictable for genuine reasons never become boring. 5. The attention game. Give it like it's rare. Attention is a currency, and most men spend it recklessly. They flood her DMs, comment on her posts, and wonder why she doesn't value it, because she can feel it's cheap. Anything given in excess loss is worth. Start giving your attention intentionally. When you talk to her, be fully there. When you don't, be fully gone. That balance builds anticipation. She starts to notice when your attention fades. She starts to wait for it. That waiting, that subtle craving, is the foundation of missing you. Women don't miss men who give them constant attention. They miss men who give them moments. When your attention is steady but limited, it stands out. It becomes rare. And rarity builds desire. Don't pull back to punish her. Pull back to protect your energy. Your focus is a gift. Don't give it freely. Make her earn it. That's how attention becomes attraction. 6. Detachment. The calm that draws her. In true detachment isn't coldness, it's calmness. It's the art of letting go of control and focusing on yourself. You don't need her to choose you. You choose peace. That's power. Most men get lost in the outcome. They chase, they overthink, they try to convince. But women are drawn to men who are fine, whether she stays or not. That energy is addictive because it's rare. Detachment tells he, "Oh, you're welcome in my life, but I'm fine without you." It shows stability, self-respect, and inner peace. When she feels that, she starts wondering why you're not attached like everyone else, why you're not chasing. That curiosity turns into attraction. When you're detached, you don't need to fake confidence. You are confidence. You're not trying to win her approval. You're living your truth. That kind of man is hard to forget. 7. Multidimensional presence. Be more than one vibe. Women remember men who make them feel many things, not just one. Be deep, be playful, be quiet, be passionate. Show different sides, not different faces. If every moment feels the same, she'll stop feeling altogether. But when one moment you make her laugh and the next you make her think, you build emotional depth. You become a full experience. A man who can blend light-heartedness with depth becomes unforgettable because you're not performing. You're living. You don't fit a label. You're unpredictable, authentic, and emotionally alive. Don't copy other men's vibe. Build your own. That variety, the mix of calm and chaos, keeps her intrigued long after you've gone silent. 8. Authenticity. The energy that can't be ignored. Everything you do, everything you say only matters if it's real. Authenticity is your loudest magnet. Fake mystery fades fast. Real depth lasts forever. Be honest about who you are. If you're hurt, heal. If you're busy, mean it. Don't act like you don't care. Just stop needing her to care back. When your energy is grounded in truth, she feels it. And women crave that kind of realness because it's rare. A woman doesn't miss a perfect man. She misses a real one. The one who didn't try too hard. The one who gave her peace without effort. The one who stayed kind but never begged. Be that. Because when you are, she'll miss you. Not because you left, but because no one else feels like you. You don't need to chase what's not running away. You don't need to convince someone to see your worth. The truth is, the more you try to prove yourself, the smaller Allah you start to look. Sometimes the best move is no move at all. Let silence speak for you. Let distance build value. And let her feel what it's like to lose your presence, because only then will she understand your weight. You don't make her miss you by force. You make her miss you by becoming unforgettable. Not because you said too much, but because you finally said nothing at all. If you found peace or power in this message, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, where we talk about psychology, emotion, and the calm strength that changes everything. See you in the next one.